Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your man, Faceless Buddy, back with another video. This one is for all my adventurers dreaming of exploring the world solo. We're diving into the 7 deadly sins of solo travel. Mistakes that can ruin your adventure. Traveling alone is all about freedom, right? But there are things you've got to be on top of. Packing smart, staying safe, respecting cultures, and making the most of your trip. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this show on the road. All right, let's kick things off with mistake number 1, overpacking. This one's a classic, and I'm guilty of it myself. You convince yourself you need 5 pairs of shoes, that hairdryer from 1998, and enough clothes to last a month, even though you're only going for a week. But here's the thing, when you're hauling around a suitcase that weighs more than a small child, you lose that freedom and spontaneity that makes solo travel so amazing. Trust me, I've been there, lugging a monstrous bag through crowded train stations, wishing I had packed lighter. So what's the solution? Pack light and pack smart. Lay out everything you think you need, then cut it in half. Stick to versatile basics, a couple of t-shirts, a pair of comfortable shoes, maybe a nice shirt if you're feeling fancy. And remember, laundromats exist all over the world. All right, let's talk about mistake number 2, not researching local customs. Look, I'm all for diving headfirst into new experiences, but it's crucial to remember that not every country operates the same way yours does. What might be considered polite back home could be seen as disrespectful somewhere else. Imagine this. You're in a foreign country, feeling confident, and accidentally commit a major cultural faux pas. Maybe you tipped when you shouldn't have, or maybe you used the wrong hand to eat. Suddenly you go from feeling like a confident explorer to that awkward tourist. But it doesn't have to be that way. A little bit of research goes a long way. Trust me, taking the time to understand and respect local customs will not only help you avoid awkward situations, but also enrich your travel experience. Okay, now let's talk about something a little less glamorous but equally important. Travel insurance. I know it feels like just another expense, and who wants to think about worst-case scenarios when you're about to embark on an epic adventure? But trust me on this one, guys. Picture this. You're halfway across the world living your best life when suddenly disaster strikes. Maybe it's a stolen passport, a cancelled flight, or even a medical emergency. Suddenly that carefree adventure takes a turn for the worse, and you're left scrambling, wishing you had that safety net. That's where travel insurance swoops in to save the day. It's like having a guardian angel looking out for you, making sure that no matter what curveballs life throws your way, you're covered. From medical expenses to lost luggage, travel insurance gives you peace of mind. Chapter 4, Winging It, the Art of the Backup Plan. All right, let's talk about mistake number 4, not having a backup plan. I get it, spontaneity is the name of the game when it comes to solo travel. But even the most free-spirited adventurer needs a little bit of structure now and then. Think of it like this. You're about to jump out of a plane with a parachute, of course. Sure, the thrill is in the free fall, but you wouldn't jump without knowing your parachute was packed correctly, right? That's your backup plan. Always have a backup for your accommodations and transportation. And don't forget to keep a little stash of emergency cash hidden away just in case you encounter any unexpected expenses. All right, let's get real for a second and talk about mistake number 5, ignoring safety tips. Look, I know it's not the most exciting topic, but when you're traveling solo, your safety is paramount. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a new place, but it's important to stay vigilant and aware of your surroundings. First and foremost, trust your gut. If a situation feels off or unsafe, remove yourself immediately. Avoid walking alone at night in unfamiliar or poorly lit areas, and be mindful of your belongings, especially in crowded places. Before you head out for the day, share your itinerary with someone back home. It's a simple step that can make a world of difference if something unexpected happens. All right, let's move on to mistake number 6, not meeting other travelers. Solo travel offers freedom, but connecting with others can enhance your experience. Some of the best travel moments come from meeting like-minded people. Hostels are perfect for meeting fellow solo travelers. The communal vibe makes it easy to form friendships. Hostels often organize social events and group excursions. And finally, let's wrap things up with mistake number 7, overplanning your itinerary. Now, don't get me wrong, having a general plan for your trip is a good idea, but when you try to schedule every minute of every day, you risk missing out on those spontaneous moments that make solo travel so magical. Think of it like this. You've planned this amazing road trip, every stop mapped out, every restaurant reservation made. But then you stumble upon this hidden gem off the beaten path. A breathtaking vista, a charming local market, a once-in-a-lifetime experience. But you can't enjoy it because it wasn't on the schedule. Don't let that be you. Leave room for spontaneity and embrace the unknown. And there you have it, the 7 deadly sins of solo travel totally busted. Traveling alone is one of the most rewarding experiences out there. It pushes you out of your comfort zone and creates lasting memories. So get out there, explore the world, and make the most of every moment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Until next time, safe travels, and I'll catch you in the next video.